You're under arrest.
Okay. For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your...
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
Wow.
On June 9th in Palm Beach County, Florida, an Ocean Ridge police officer conducts a traffic stop after observing a vehicle operating with an expired registration tag. The driver immediately challenges the officer's authority and refuses to produce identification.
Anyway, she could back out.
Just a minute.
Okay, yeah.
How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galucia with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay?
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is
Am I starting
expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is
Do
expired.
you have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right
Do you
now.
have
So I'll
another
need your license.
supervisor?
You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your
You can call
information...
your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for
It's
your
upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my
You're a public
supervisor.
servant.
You wait. Because
You
you're...
serve the public.
Yes,
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not.
526. Would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So.
Your tag is expired. Come here. I'll show you.
No.
It's right here.
Okay.
Stay here. Don't move. So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay. I already know that.
Right. So. You
It's
asked
still a
me-
lawful stop.
It's lawful.
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful? Do
It's
you know the
legal, and
difference?
I'm not going to argue with
I'm
you.
not arguing, sir. I'm asking you a
I'm
question.
asking you for your driver's license. You're
And I'm
driving your
asking you, do
vehicle
you
in the
know the
state of
difference?
Florida, and
I'm
you are
traveling. I'm
Right.
traveling.
So you're going to play that game.
No, I'm not playing any
Oh,
game.
yeah.
This is my freedom
Okay.
we're talking about
Yeah,
here.
it is, and sure.
And we're talking about you.
My
as a
sergeant's on his
servant.
way, and
We're
you know,
talking about you as a
my
public servant.
my sergeant's on the way, and you can
okay,
talk to
and
him.
we can talk to him.
Yeah,
And I hope you know.
I hope
your
you
job
know.
and what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
I hope you know too. Her tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance. Okay. She's traveling. Okay.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
Good.
great.
So I'm the day shift
Now-
supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I I breaking?
Apparently your tag.
What law is that?
Okay. Can we see your license and registration, please?
That has nothing
Okay,
to do
10:15.
with me because are you
You're under arrest.
okay? For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
wow?
This is
Please
not.
don't-
This isn't. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
Lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Yeah, I'm down here. It's going to post up on this way, Chief.
Come on out. Step in.
What is this place?
The Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is kidnapped.
Step into the cell. Step into the cell.
Why step into there? Why are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting you in here?
Yes.
Why do you think I'm putting you in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
Wow. This is absurd.
All you gotta do is provide your driver's license.
I don't have a driver's
Or an
license.
ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see that on camera, so.
Face the wall.
Can someone come in here to speak with me?
Everything on you I need to know about.
Under Florida law, operating a vehicle with an expired registration violates Florida Statute Section 320.07. A traffic infraction alone gives an officer lawful authority to conduct a stop under the Fourth Amendment. The constitutional threshold at this moment is reasonable suspicion. The visible expired tag satisfies that standard. Once the stop is made, the legal framework shifts. Florida Statute Section 322.15 requires any person operating a motor vehicle on a public roadway to possess and display a valid driver's license upon demand from a law enforcement officer. This requirement is not optional, and it does not depend on whether the driver believes the stop is justified. The officer requests 3 standard documents: driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. The driver refuses. Instead, she questions the officer's authority and demands a supervisor. Legally, a driver has no constitutional right to demand a supervisor before complying with a lawful order. The obligation to present a driver's license exists immediately upon lawful request during a traffic stop. The driver also asserts that she is traveling and not engaged in commerce. This argument appears frequently in sovereign citizen ideology, but has no legal validity in U.S. courts. Operating a motor vehicle on public roads is regulated by state law, regardless of whether the activity is commercial or personal. Courts have repeatedly rejected the claim that traveling exempts a driver from licensing requirements. At this point, the constitutional threshold escalates again. When a driver refuses to provide identification during a lawful stop, officers gain probable cause to believe the offense of failure to display a driver's license is occurring under Florida Statute Section 322.15. Continued refusal after repeated lawful commands also supports arrest authority. The supervising sergeant arrives and again requests the driver's license and registration. The driver continues to refuse compliance. At this moment, the officer transitions from investigative detention to custodial arrest. The driver is placed under arrest. Under Florida law, resisting an officer without violence is defined in Florida Statute Section 843.02. The elements of the offense require that a law enforcement officer be engaged in the lawful execution of a legal duty and that the suspect obstructs, resists, or opposes that duty without violence. Refusing to provide required identification during a lawful traffic stop can satisfy this element because it directly obstructs the officer's statutory enforcement authority. After arrest, the officers determine that the driver's license is suspended. Driving with a suspended license in Florida is a criminal offense under Florida Statute Section 322.34. The prosecution must prove that the defendant was operating a motor vehicle and that her driving privilege was suspended at the time. The expired registration violation remains as the underlying traffic offense under Section 320.07. 3 charges are filed: resisting an officer without violence under Section 843.02, driving while license suspended under Section 322.34. Expired vehicle registration under Section 320.07. Each charge arises from a separate legal element: the original traffic violation, the refusal to comply with lawful identification requirements, and the discovery of the suspended license status. The critical constitutional transition in this case occurs when the driver refuses to produce identification. Speech questioning an officer is protected by the First Amendment. However, refusing to comply with a lawful statutory requirement during a traffic stop moves the conduct from protected speech into criminal obstruction. The escalation is driven entirely by statutory non-compliance rather than by the initial traffic violation itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.